Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be a Slender in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Roblox and then be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, all you need to do is head over and tap on your avatar and then head over to your avatar editor and you'll be seeing something like this. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the body type, and then on the height it will only work with R15. So what you need to do is put the height at the max of 105%, and once you have done with that, the next thing that you need to do is select all these items that is ticked as shown in the picture. And once you have like the beautiful hair one, the aesthetic boy slender swag, the official Brooklyn Nets, the slick fang, the Roblox 2.0 right leg, the Roblox 2.0 left leg, Roblox 2.0 left arm, Roblox 2.0 right arm, and then Roblox 2.0 torso. So it's basically the 2.0 package. And here at the last you'll have the astronaut walk. And now all you gotta do is just simply select them if you already have it, or if you don't have it, simply head over to the marketplace and then purchase it. And once you are done with that, you'll be getting your Slender look, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.